Have you ever heard a developer say, but it works on my machine, right before their code crashes in production? This is the one of the biggest headaches in software development. Different operating system, missing files, or wrong versions can break your code. But today, we are going to look at the ultimate solution to this problem. Welcome to Hirunis Cloud Log. I'm Hiruni. If you are starting your journey into DevOps, cloud engineering, or software development, understanding Docker is absolute must. In this video, we are going to break down what Docker is and why it has changed the tech industry forever in the simplest way possible. To understand Docker, let's look at the real world. Think about how cargo ships transport goods across the world. Before standard shipping containers were invented, loading a ship was a total mess. People had to pack tea, cars, electronics, and food all together, and they would often get damaged or mixed up. But then came shipping containers. They are standard sizes boxes. It doesn't matter what is inside, whether it's a tea or electronics. Everything goes into its own separate container. The ship only cares about moving the boxes. Docker does the exact same thing, but for software. In the software world, Docker takes your application code along with everything it needs to run, like libraries, dependencies, and configurations, and packages them into the neat, isolated box called container. Because everything is packed inside this container, it becomes completely portable. You can run it to your laptop and on your friend's laptop, on cloud server like AWS, Azure, and it will work exactly the same way every single time. No more it works on my machine excuses. Now, you might ask, isn't this just like a virtual machine? Not quite. Virtual machines are very heavy because each VM needs its own entire operating system. But Docker containers share your computer's existing operating system. This makes Docker containers super lightweight, incredibly fast, and they start up in just a few seconds using the very little memory. Today, almost every modern tech company uses Docker. It makes testing, deploying, and scaling application incredibly smooth. If you are planning to become a full stack developer or a DevOps engineer, knowing Docker is like having a superpower on your resume. In our next video, we will go practical. I will show you step by step how to install Docker and run your very first container. If you found this introduction helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Hirunis Cloud Log for simple tech guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.